Love isn't supposed to feel like walking on eggshells. But when you've grown up with neglect, criticism, or instability, that's what it becomes. You learn to expect love to hurt, to second-guess your worth, to brace yourself for the moment they leave, and then someone different comes along. They're kind, patient, safe. A part of you wants to believe it, but another part whispers, what if this is just another illusion? Many of you related to our previous video, Signs of Attachment Trauma, Not Love, and someone asked, how can they find real love? Which is why we made this video. If you've been through attachment trauma, knowing who's truly safe to love can feel impossible. But there are signs. Green flags that show you when someone is different. In this video, we'll go through 5 of them, so you can recognize the kind of love that won't break you, but help you heal. I know, hard to believe, but you're gonna have to. Okay, so number 1, slow and steady. When you've experienced attachment trauma, trust and emotional safety don't come easily. Clinical psychologist Dr. Sandra Cohen explains that after trauma, you might interpret ordinary situations as signs of betrayal, feel unheard, or become especially sensitive to neglect or rejection. A good partner understands that your healing takes time, and they're not in a rush. For example, you had a disagreement with them, and your thoughts are spinning, and you ask, are we okay? For what feels like the 100th time. Instead of reacting with frustration, they meet you with a calm reassurance. Yes, we're okay. Take your time. If you pull back because you're overwhelmed, they don't push. They give you space, while making it clear that they're here when you're ready. On days when your insecurities bubble up, they remind you that it's okay to feel this way, and that you're not too much for them. Their patience is steady, showing you it's safe to trust again. 2, coolheaded. According to a clinical psychologist, Dr. Rebecca Probst, early trauma or unsupportive parenting might make you afraid of other people's anger, making you withdraw or freeze in fear. And that's understandable. Anger can be terrifying if you've seen it weaponized, used to hurt, punish, or control. In a healthy relationship, anger looks entirely different. It's managed, not unleashed. Imagine your partner getting upset. Instead of yelling or slamming doors, they pause and say, I need a minute to collect my thoughts. No threats, no guilt trips, no dragging up old wounds. And if they slip up and say something unkind, they take responsibility. I'm sorry, that was unfair. Healthy anger is about accountability and repair, not blame or destruction. It leaves you feeling safe, not walking on eggshells. 3, true to yourself. Do you often care about pleasing others even at the expense of your own needs and wishes? A trauma-informed psychotherapist, Lauren Louis, calls people-pleasing a survival mechanism rooted in attachment trauma. It's so easy to lose yourself in relationships when this type of trauma tells you that keeping the peace means shrinking who you are. But a healthy partner doesn't want you to disappear. They want to see you thrive. Think about this. You've always wanted to try an art class or join the gym, but you've been hesitating. When you tell your partner, they light up. That sounds amazing. When do you start? They encourage your dreams, friendships, and personal growth, not just for you, but because they love seeing you fulfilled. They don't make your independence feel like a threat. They celebrate it as part of who you are. Number 4, clear lines. If setting boundaries feels impossible, you're not alone. Many of us have learned that saying no can lead to rejection or conflict, especially when you've been through attachment trauma. As clinical and family psychologist Dr. Julia Andres says, establishing healthy boundaries can be incredibly challenging, making you feel guilty and uneasy if you even try to prioritize yourself. But with a healthy partner, boundaries aren't something to fear. Say, okay, you've had a rough day and need some time alone. A healthy partner doesn't pout or guilt trip you, they respect your space. Take all the time you need. They might say, checking in later to see how you're feeling or if you're hungry or if you need anything. They don't see boundaries as walls, they see them as windows into what you need to feel safe and supported. And number 5, playing by the rules. Arguments don't have to feel like battlefields. Wild, I know. In a healthy relationship, even conflict is an opportunity to grow closer, not tear each other down. Imagine a disagreement where emotions are high. Instead of yelling or shutting you down, your partner says, "Let's figure this out together." They stay calm and focus on the issue, not attacking you. There's no blame game, no hurtful words like, "You always mess this up. You're always so sensitive, so emotional." They listen. Really listen to your perspective, your feelings, your experience, even if they don't fully agree. Together, you work towards solutions, showing you that even when things are hard, they're still on your side. So, do any of these green flags remind you of someone? What was your experience like? Let us know in the comments below. Finding a partner who helps you heal rather than hurt is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. Keep an eye out for those green flags. They're your guide to relationships that feel safe and nurturing. You're not alone on this journey, and you're doing amazing work by learning more about yourself. And we'll keep uploading more content on this subject matter if that's what you want, so let us know if it is in the comments below. We're here for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Psych2Go for more. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Take care, and remember, you matter. We'll see you next time.